Okay, imagine this. Samsung just dropped a smartwatch so sleek, it might actually make your old one feel like a fossil. And here's the wild part, it's not just one, but three new models, each with its own twist, secrets, and yes, some eyebrow-raising price tags. Leaks are exploding online, final renders are here, and something about the new Ultra might seriously change how you look at premium smartwatches forever. Welcome back, viewers, James here! Don't forget to like the video, share it with your fellow tech fans, and subscribe to the channel for more juicy updates like this one. Alright, let's dive in. With Galaxy Unpacked just around the corner, Samsung seems to be doing everything but hiding the Galaxy Watch 8 series. Final renders have surfaced, and if these are anything to go by, we've got our clearest look yet at the standard Watch 8, the Classic, and the Ultra for 2025. Think bold redesigns, surprising price shifts, and features that might just nudge you to upgrade, if your wallet can handle it. Let's start with the base Galaxy Watch 8. At first glance, it looks familiar, but look closer. The shape has shifted subtly toward what Samsung's calling a squirkle. Yeah, a square-circle hybrid. It's still mostly round, but with softened, square-ish corners that give it a sleeker and more mature vibe. It also appears slightly thinner than its predecessor, the Watch 7. Not confirmed, but enough to make spec nerds squint. It's clean, minimal, and exactly what you'd expect from Samsung's entry-level smart wrist gear. Now, here's where things get spicy. The Galaxy Watch 8 Classic isn't holding back. Samsung clearly took design notes from last year's Ultra and merged them into the Classic's DNA. It's chunkier, with a more aggressive silhouette, and yet it somehow pulls off elegance. The rotating bezel is back, and thank the tech gods for that. And this time it's paired with a leather strap that screams sophistication. Compared side by side with the base model, the Classic just looks like it skipped leg day and upper body day. It's a statement piece now. And then there's the Watch Ultra, Samsung's not-so-secret weapon. While the hardware hasn't changed much from last year, the entire mood has. Say goodbye to the bold orange strap. Now it comes dressed in navy blue with a polished silver case. It still screams rugged, but now in a way that feels boardroom meets mountain trail. Less Apple Ultra clone, more Samsung swagger. But the real the street is that the 2025 Ultra might actually drop at a lower price than the previous version. That's right, a price cut. Shocking if true. Meanwhile, the base Watch 8 and Classic are heading in the opposite direction. Reports suggest the regular Watch 8 might jump up by around $40-$50, putting it close to $359 or even $399 depending on size, and the Classic expected to hit around $469. Not exactly budget-friendly, but maybe worth it if the new One UI 8 watch experience lives up to the hype. Speaking of One UI 8 watch, it's coming pre-installed across the lineup, and it's packing more than just a UI facelift. Think antioxidant index, yep. Your wrist might now judge your diet, new bedtime guidance, a smarter running coach, and vascular load tracking. That last one could be a game changer for athletes tracking endurance metrics in real time. And yes, older Galaxy Watch users, you're in luck. The update's expected to roll out to existing models before year's end. Now here's a curveball: Samsung might be cooking up a new premium tier in Samsung Health. Rumors hint that advanced features, like personalized coaching or deeper insights, could be locked behind a subscription. If that sounds familiar, it's because Fitbit and Apple are already doing it. Samsung seems ready to join the club whether users like it or not. Meanwhile, all eyes are on July 9, when Samsung takes the stage at Unpacked. Besides these watches, we're likely to see the Galaxy Z Fold 7, Flip 7, possibly the mysterious Project M headset, and even some new Galaxy Buds. The whole lineup could redefine Samsung's wearable strategy going forward, and maybe set a new tone for pricing, premium features, and performance expectations. So, what's your take? Is Samsung playing it safe with familiar designs or making bold enough moves to justify the price jumps? Will the Ultra finally shake off its Apple comparisons? And how do you feel about a Samsung Health subscription? Hit the comments, I'll be reading every take. Until next time, stay curious and stay tech savvy. Catch you in the next one!